Okay, tell everyone what you're going to do.
We're going to kick that pumpkin and make it explode. And if it doesn't really explode, we're going to use this as a hammer.
Awesome. Okay, I got to take care of business. Oh, you just caved that thing's face in. Do it again. Go. Oh.
Now let's try the back. Boo. Really?
Come on, Boo.
Now we're going to use the hammer. Oh!
Jump up and down on it. Just jump on it. Jump on it. 2 feet. Come on. Put some muscle into it. Now do that again. Jump on it with 2 feet.
The stem.
Come on, jump on it 2 feet. Don't throw that up there. Big jump. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh.
Sorry. Teeth. Ow, ow.
All right. Are you done?